friends, today I am giving the review of Hulkbuster from Avengers Infinity War. I've bought it from Amazon.in and now I am going to unbox it. Phew, Thanos! Keep it bright! Look, cool figure. And I'm going to show you one more Ant-Man figure that I had bought. See the size. Cool man, cool. And it has this also. If any figure from Iron Man, Captain America or anything else, Thor, so you can get voice. And its head is pretty cool. It has feet, and the amazing thing of it is I'm going to show you. Wow, so flexible. I think he's a human, so flexible. His feet are like this, like rhinos, but he's amazing, cool. He has one attachment here, and make sure that if you attach anything, the signs should match. And he has one flying thing here, and hands can move, and just make it this, and if do it like this. So I like this because it can defeat Hulk. And thank you for the video. Please subscribe.